Ay, pala eh. Ikaw pala yan. Musta, brother? Good morning.
Letter M, Malyari.
Andiyan na rin yata yung mga kasama.
Nandiyan na si Carl.
Sa Philip, morning, brother.
Here you go, scorecard.
Ay, thank you, thank you.
Sir, yung assignment po is
16B.
And then, Mr. Mako for our awarding letter at the Country Club Veranda at Maylani.
Alright, sounds good. Thank you! Okay, starting the Brother Felix Tournament. Alumni ng mga Zubel. Hole number 16 here in Tagaytay, Midlands. So, playing with my friends and batchmates. Carlo! Good morning, brother! Welcome to the channel. And shout out sa aking caddy, si Ate Leonie and si Ate Rubilin. Hello, good morning. No, shy. Okay. And another good friend, Carlo. Good morning, brother.
Brother.
Welcome back to the channel. And si Oni, brother, the champion. Okay. Welcome back. Good luck sa atin. We're playing in Tagaytay, Midland. So the format for this tournament, we're playing System 36. Tapos we're playing the White Piece. So yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe who you think will win, or at least we will be plan to just enjoy this tournament and hopefully win the raffle. Okay, hole number 16.
Nice shot. Ganda.
Pinakabig. Kick right. Okay lang yan. Ayun!
Nice shot!
Missed! Members bounce. On the tee, number, ano ba number ni Oni? 0917. Draw. Magkasama tayo dun, Oni. Huwag kang card pat. Longest putt. Hey, good luck, brother. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Good luck, Oni. Good luck, Paps. Enjoy lang tayo. Mr. Cervantes. Left field. 200. Good shot, Paps. Nice shot. Gitnang-gitna. Second shot. Nakaharang. Sayang. Pwede sanang go for it. Pero laying up lang here. Palong mga 120 ate, no? Sa coconut pa rin.
Apo.
Ayun, tutok lang na gano'n.
Shot.
Okay, left with 110 yards. A little right ang aim. 110 yards hitting a 56-degree wedge. Sabi ko na makakabit sa stance. Right.
Bounce right.
Landed left off the fairway. 12 yards to the flag. Ano to, ate, kaliwa?
Yes po, circle.
Mabilis.
Bagal po.
Mabagal yan?
Good.
The green. Super fast. Naku, malakas yan. Ay, hindi, sakto pala. Malakas pa nga. Alam ko, mabilis tong butos na to. Tama na. Tama na. Please. Tama na. Nahiya ka pa, ate. Okay lang yan. Hi. Ayan. Nag-posing pa. Mr. Oni for birdie. Malakas din. Birdie! Aga naman yan, brother. Nice spot, brother. Ayan na. Alam na. May baon na. Good. Pasok din, oh. 4 points. Buti pala wala tayong Olympics, kundi 4 points tayo kay Oni. Kulang pa. Laki ah. Laki pala nun, no?
Sa dulo.
Sa dulo bumalik. Okay, hole number 17. It's a fun hole. I made bogey. Oh, XXO. Hole in one prize. Okay, playing 140 yards. Slightly against the wind. I might hit a maybe pitching wedge or 9-iron. Ganda, Oni.
Ikot.
On. Ganda, Carlo. Nag-cut lang din sa dulo. Nice spot. Nice shot. Ay, nag-bounce dun sa uphill. Okay, just landed short. 24 yards to the flag. Sa loob lang ng shadow, ate. Ganun kabilis. Okay, 24. Okay, Mr. Ballesteros for birdie. Mahi. Go! Mabilis nga, ano? -1. Nice spot, Pops. Malambot yung face.
Mindset na ang bibili.
That's good, brother. AI technology lang. Nice spot.
Nice spot.
Give naman na yun. Alright, hole number 18. 481 yards. Currently, I am 2 over. Gwapo talaga ng kaibigan ko. Ayun, oh. Saka, premium full sponsor. Congressman Mike D. Mas gwapo.
97 pa si Mike. 97.
Okay, aiming for left of that coconut tree. Yung patay-patay na dahon na ng coconut? Yung kanan na yun. O sa gitna ng dalawang coconut. Okay. Naku. Ayun.
Good shot.
Nice one, Oni. Nice shot, brother. Ganda, Pops. Nice shot, Pops. Left with 235 yards to the flag. Kick left. So my second shot left with 220 yards to the flag. Playing it a little short, hitting a 4-iron. So aim natin dun sa kaliwa ng nyog, ano?
Apo.
Okay.
Baba.
Okay, hole 18. View of the clubhouse. Bite. Ganda, Pops. Maganda! What a shot! Good shot, Pops. Oni. Third shot. Go, go. Go, go, go. For my third shot, left with 32 yards to the flag. Diretso na raw, sabi ni ate. Ate, Dada?
Dadang. Ganda.
Thank you. Salo rin siya. Tama na. Tama na. Uy! Ano?
Kanina.
Third shot?
Fourth shot. Masang.
Ganda, Oni.
Nice.
Sige pa.
Line. Bumalik. Nice one.
Ang lakas. Mabilis pa rin, ano? Ang bigay. Talaga drop putt nga. Ang bilis, oh. Okay, good putt. Parang ang hin-hin, eh. Okay, this is for my birdie. Right inside. Laki ng binali nung damo. That's good, big suit, brother.
Ang lagi ng linis.
Uy! Okay, hole number 1, 403 yards. Currently, I am, sayang yung birdie putt na yan, I am 2 over. Nice shot, Pops. Gitnang gitna. Paradigm power. Didiretso lang. Hindi kayo familiar sa kaliwat kanan ah. Okay, left with 114 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 56 degree wedge. Ay hindi, baka choke down 56 degree wedge. Alam ko, matalbog dito. Tsaka ang hangin. Kanan to ng konti, ate.
Yes. Tapin. Diyan ka na lang. At pala na sa kanan.
Ano hinamin?
Mm.
No? Tama yung okay, so landed left 10 yards to the flag. So, giving it half grip sa left.
Ganda. Sige pa. Baba. Stop.
Baba pa! Hina. Good putt. Hindi bumali.
Pa yung linya mo.
Uy! Okay, hole number 2. 505 yards. Aim or the play is to aim for those 2 trees in the middle. Downwind. Thank you, ate.
Nice shot.
Ganda, brother. Gitnang gitna. Nice shot, Pops. Huwag ka lang umabot sa bunker. Carry. Carry. Ayun, okay. Good shot, Pops. Shot. Gitnang gitna. Parang sinipat din, Pops, ah. Okay, left with 210 yards to the flag. Downwind, hitting of 5 iron.
Kaliwa lang konti. Grabe naman yung kanan.
Ay, diyan ka lang. Oh,
Dito, on the bunker. Yung, so parang isang flag, tama?
halos po.
No, halos isang flag. Mabilis. Tama? Mabilis yan, di ba?
Yes po. Bite!
Ang nipis pala nito. Akala ko malambot yung sand. Matigas pala. So nag-glide lang. Went over 16 yards to the flag. Pasok mo na! Ooh. Hindi ganun kabilis.
Hindi ho, mabagal
Mabagal.
po ang green. Mabagal.
Hina. For par yan, Oni? For bird? Okay, Oni for bird. Second bird of the round. Birdie mo, baby! Nice birdie! Swan, Oni. Dalawa na.
Alam na kung sino.
Mahina. Ah, so mabagal nga, +1.
Buka.
Okay, hole number 3. Currently 3 over. Fun hole.
120.
Golf cart ang aming prize for this fun hole. Okay, hole number 3, playing 113 yards. Crosswood. Hitting a full 56. Go! Go! Safe, 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 patong. Sak.
Nice shot.
Ganda. Turn pa. Turn a little more. Good shot, Pops. Turn. Hindi naman nag-fade. Mr. Cervantes spotting for birdie. Ako din and also si Oni. I have 6 spaces. Tirang 5 lang, no? Kasi pababa. Okay. go! Uy! Okay na yun, Pops? Okay na yun,
Birdie! Ah! Na-birdie din.
Isa din. Hole number 4. Playing 411 yards. Dog leg left. From hole number 4. Dog leg left. The play is to aim for that tall antenna here. Safe na safe ah. Pwede ka pa mag-aim dun sa antena sa kaliwa na yun eh, di ba? Tama ba? O sobra na yun? Pero tama, di ba? Pwede ba aim yun? Hindi ah. Nag-turn din. Kanan lang. Safe yan, brother. Lahat tayo takot sa tubig. Safe na safe tayo lahat sa kanan. Currently, these are the leaders. Currently number 9. Sabay ka? Okay. Landed right off the fairway. Well, right off the hole. So left with 140 yards. The pin is here. Hitting a pitching wedge. Aim left. Right pala. Kakaliwa to. Okay. Landed over the green. Had to take my mulligan. 15 yards. Doon lang sa gimme hole. Left to right.
Nice. Baba. Oh, stop na. Diyan ka na lang. Okay.
Nice spot. Good par. Hole number 5. Currently still 2 over. Hey, this is a fun hole. Hole in 1 ulit. I think it's a golf cart again. It's playing 173 yards to the flag. Pero it's with the wind pero right to left. So I'm most likely hitting an 8 iron since the pin is just in the front. Pinag-usapan lang yung mga mamaya natin babanggitin. Baka ano. Uy, with the wind. Over. Parang bunker. Kaliwa din. Uy. Landed right right side bunker. 20 yards. Ano to, mabilis?
Regular lang.
Regular lang. Diretso na.
Oh, good. Oh. Diyan ka lang. Matigas din.
Tunog pa lang. Matigas pa lang. Actually malambot dito. Hindi mo pwede.
15. Nice shot. Suno ani? Oh, pat na.
Lakas Luigi! Ano ka ba? Pinat mo na nga eh.
Nice putt, Pops. Hole number 6. That was a very unfortunate double bogey. 478 yards. Okay. Fun hole, longest drive. May nanalo na. Ang layo. 300 plus siguro yan. Okay.
Nice shot!
Ayan, si Oni. Kailangan lang gumulong. Nice shot, Pops. Alam mo, nahalata ko, Pops, nga yung meron kang swing change. Yun. Hitting a 7 iron. I'm left with 178 yards. I assume matalbog. O mas maganda sa is na natin.
Magulong ang green yan, sir.
Magulong? Sige.
Nice one. Diyan ka lang.
Mr. Ballesteros to go up and down for, I think, for his par. Bite. Ganda! Good shot! Ganda ng spin. Kitang-kitang babite eh. Oni to go up and down for birdie. This is his third shot. Eagle chip. Ako, lakas. Bite. Lakas lang. Bite. Pasok! Pasok! What a par! Nice shot, Pops! Buti wala tayong Olympics. Nice spot, Pops. Nice shot. Birdie? Nice bird. I have this putt. Papat ko na to. Putting for eagle. 8 paces. Kung 8 ate, 8 din? Or kahit sa is? Hindi, 8. 7.
Yan, sige. Pasok! Uy!
Sabi ko, this is to go up and down, I think, for bogey. For birdie pa. Birdie! Ganda naman nun, Oni. O, pakimark din. Minark ko yung akin. Nice spot, brother. Good par. Thanks, brother.
Nice birthday, birdie.
Thank you. Sayang yung kay Oni, di pa nag-birdie. Okay, that was a good birdie. Thank you. Hole number 7, playing 321 yards. It's a straightaway par 4. Currently, I am 3 over. That was a good birdie for myself and Carlo. Sayang pinin kay Oni. Hindi pa nalaglag yung birdie putt niya. Balik. Okay, safe. Sorry, Oni. Okay lang pala. Ganda. Nice shot, brother. Oh. Mabagal ba yun? Paakyat?
Apo.
51 yards to the flag. Mga tirang 35? No? Mag-uul. Okay. So kahit 40.
Apo. Bite!
Okay, Mr. Ballesteros. Ganda. Ang bilis. Okay, Oni. For birdie. Bumali. That's good, brother.
Kulang sa kaliwa.
Okay, hole number 8. 366 yards. This is a layup hole. Hole number 8. The play is to aim for that bunker in the middle, which is around 220 yards. Pero it's against the wind. Can't miss it left kasi those trees would be in play. So, kailangan shooting darts talaga. So, baka I'll hit a hybrid. Naku, nakabig.
Uy! Hapon!
Ay, too much.
Okay lang yan. Bounce left. Bounce left. Yan. Baba.
Ganda, Oni. Perfect yan. Nice shot, brother. Ganda naman din. Ganda, brother. Fairway. Gitnang gitna eh. Good shot, brother.
Ibaba lang.
Oo.
Yes, brother.
Ay, konti lang. For my second shot, I'm left with exactly 150 yards. This will go left. So I'm hitting a 9 iron. Hindi, kakaliwa ito, diba? Ball above my
Apa. Hangin! Sige pa, akyat. Okay.
Okay, landed short. I'm still 16 yards to the flag, aiming for that light brown pitch mark. Mabagal to, ate?
Yes po.
Okay, tirang.
Nice shot, brother.
Ganda.
Nice one.
Pasok! Ay!
Ayun, kamat mo na sana. Birdie. Par. Basking in the sun.
Init. Hindi ka nagpayong.
Sa kadilo.
Mukhang hindi takot sa araw yung kadi mo eh. Edi shoot ko na.
Wala ka sa laro.
Sakto lang. Sakto lang.
Take.
Oh, diba? Ganun din naman eh. Legit. Uy. That's good, Paps. Sayang ever since naman eh. Okay, our leaders. Ba nag-7 ako? Pinsang ko. Si Anton Baranjalan. Richie rin, ang galing. Okay, hole number 9, 373 yards. Currently, I am 3 over. Okay, sponsors, Charlie and Nido. Baka 3 wood lang dapat. Play natin, ate, dapat itong coconut na to.
Ako, sobrang kanan. Alright?
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang, safe yun.
Kick left.
Okay. Wala naman tayong choice.
Oh, gandang ganda eh. Perfect, parang nilagay. Ngayon naman dumiretso. Perfect.
Yun ang dapat.
Kick right. Huwag ka lang mas tiny. Good shot, Pops.
Okay lang.
Uy, sakto. Need to take my medicine. The tree is right in front of my target, and there's no way for me to get it above the tree. So I'm just punching out dito. Mga tirang kahit kano kalayo, basta mag fairway lang.
Okay, good out.
I am left with 110 yards to the flag uphill. I'm contemplating kung I muscle a 60 degree or controlled 56. Parang 56 na lang, ate, no? Against the wind ba? Ano dala mo ba?
Good shot. Okay.
Mr. Valera. Or birdie ba ito ulit? Oh, para mahina. Mahina. Mabagal nga, no? Okay. Have this par putt aiming 1 grip sa left, 8 paces, mabagal.
Huli! Uy!
Dadaanan.
Save! Ay! That's good, brother. Nice putt, Pops. Mahina. Installment? Land talaga. Ganun. Oo. Ay, naku, kumanan.
Naku!
War! Nice shot.
Ako rin eh. Nawala. Kaliwa. Ayun, ayun, yun. Sa may cart path sa kaliwa. Sa may flower bed na purple.
Doon sa may 100.
Sakto yung fade. Good shot, brother.
Gutom lang.
Ganun pa rin. Replay.
Huwag ka sasabit. Ay, sumabit. Ayun, cart path. Had to take my last mulligan. Left with 115 yards. Aim left. No?
Apo.
Left to right. Hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Nice shot. Kanan mo.
Tira ko. Bite.
Baba. Halos diretso lang ito.
Dahil sa damo. Kung 13, mga 12, 8. 12, 8. 12. Diretsong diretso? Gitnang gitna?
Turn.
Tinangay ng damo.
Uy, bali lang. Uy, this is for my par. Okay na yun, brother?
Yes!
Okay, hole number 11. 383 yards. Ah, ito yung most accurate. Fun hole. Okay, most accurate for hole number 11.
11.
Hole number 11. Most accurate fun hole. Medyo straight up. Okay, ang gitna lang. Kick right para sa accurate.
Bigyan ko na lang ng initials yung suspect.
Yun ang ano.
Nice shot. Okay na yun.
Uy, kasi naman nagkukwentuhan kami. Sumasagot ka eh.
Yun dong.
Ay, kumanan lang. Nag-turn lang eh. Most accurate sa ano.
Pagulungin mo na lang dun malapit to dun.
Yun!
Nice shot.
Ayun oh.
Linya mo. Ay, kailan? Muligan na yun. Wala na.
Ay, oo nga. Sayang oh. Ay, sayang.
Sayang. Muligan na.
Mr. Cervantes. Second shot. To go up and down for birdie. Ah, over lang. Over the green. I mean, back of the green. Oni. Second shot also. Around 100 yards siguro. Right off the pin lang. Left with 82 yards to the flag. Downwind. Hitting, matirang 70 ate, no? 65, 70. Ano to, kaliwa?
Kaliwa ng pin.
Kaliwa lang ng pan. Big bang.
Bo!
Okay, 12 yards. Just landed short. Akala ko hangin. Dadangin ng hangin. Mabagal paakyat. Tama?
Mabilis po yan.
Ah, mabilis to. Right to left?
Left to right.
Malakas pa, brother. Kala ko pa. Hit the pin. Uy. This is for my par. Ay, sorry. Ito na.
Pabagal!
Ang lamyanong pat na yun. Bogey. Right, Pat. Alright, hole number 12. It's a fun hole. Hole in one prize is from Parikit, Manila. And I think it's also a fun hole na closest to the pin. Tama? Okay, playing 120 yards to the flag. The first tribute for our flight, Mr. Cervantes. Siya ang alay. Tawid! Go! Go! Uy, sobra pa pala. Mukhang hindi.
Good shot. All in one mo. Wow.
Bite. Settle. Settle. Okay, good shot, Oni. Kaliwa lang ng konti. Go! Go, 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 go. Carlo, to go up and down for par. Ah, hindi, for bogey pala. Go!
Nice shot.
Pasok ulit!
6.
Ano yan? Okay, for my birdie. Ay, mismo daanan ko yan. Firm lang. First, third, for the round. Tumalbog. Tumalbog. Okay.
Yung nag-break sa dulo.
Okay, hole number 13. That was another par. Sayang yung birdie. 403 yards. So the aim is for that antenna. Ayan. Tama, diba? Yun yung aim, yung antenna na yun sa kaliwa. Okay.
Okay, diretso.
Naku, nag-fleet ride. Uy, balik. Okay lang yan?
Tony ah.
Hindi. Nag-iingat lang. Ay, sakto sa mga kadi. Ang layo ng gulong. Malapit doon sa mga kadi. Iwan din.
Labas pa rin yung palo.
Darat na kayo sad doon.
Okay. I'm left with, for my second shot, 90 yards to the flag. Hitting a full, well, yeah, full 60-degree wedge.
Nice shot. Dikit mo. Okay. Nice on.
Ano bola? Okay lang yan. Papatong yan. Bite. Settle. Ganda po, brother! Nice one, Pops. Nice shot. Lakad muna ako. Pasok mo! Okay na yun, Oni. Giling. Nice spot. Right edge lang, ate. Tapos, mabagal? O regular lang? Okay, 8 paces. Right edge for birdie.
On time!
Hindi nagpreno eh.
Bali. Yun ang sakto. Wala lang alignment. That's good, Pops. Parang na-push.
Push nyo.
Hole number 14. Please, okay, hole number 14. Dog leg left. That was a very painful bogey. B2B. Number 14. Oo nga pala. Mali pala sinabi ko kanina, number 15. Si Mark nga. Ganda, Pops. Perfect. Kung saan ito, sasabihin yung kadi ko saan.
Nice shot.
Shortcut.
Shortcut. Very nice yun.
Good shot, brother.
Yun, oh.
Maganda rin yan. Perfect yan, Carlo. Nagpakita ng gila, sabi, papalitan mo daw siya eh.
Natakot ka, no?
Shot, brother. Napakalayo. 200 yards still left against the wind. Malakas ang against the wind. 200 yards hitting a 5 iron.
Inay. Balik! Stay ka lang dyan. Stay ka lang dyan. Up! Diyan ka lang. Okay lang.
140 yards right. So left with 40 yards. Left with 40 yards. Right to left. Try to nip a 60 degree wedge.
Sir, baba pa kayo.
Ganda. Galing, natigil mo yun, ha. Nice shot, brother. Lakas.
Nice on.
Buti sumabit. Buti sumabit. Nice shot. Ate, video na si Oni. HBK mo.
Yes po.
One time lang pasok mo. Pasok mo eh.
Takot sa'yo eh. Lang.
Nice. Ganda sana ng branching part. Ay! Okay, hole 15. Currently 7 over. Long par 4, 420 yards. Personal challenge. I need to par this to break 80.
Ay, shoot.
Tama na, tama na.
Kumulat sa dulo.
Ayun, safe, safe, safe. Sunod na alay.
Sunod na alay.
Ayun yung radio box na yun sa ano, kaliwa. Aim, the aim is right of that.
Hindi ako.
Tawid yan. Huwag ka lang sasabit.
Alright. Okay. Okay lang yan.
Lumayo lang.
Nice shot. Beautiful.
Ganda ng out. Di lang nag-fade pero ganda. Nice out, Pops. Pang behind the scenes daw. Behind the trees and under the trees. Left with 162 yards to the flag. Hitting a 8 iron. An 8 iron.
Stay ka lang.
Four! Yun lang. Mabilis ano?
Apo yung green. Nice. Nice. Sige, pasok mo na. Sige. Nice.
Okay, okay na. Kukunin ko na to. Okay. Sayang. Na. At least na-chip in. Okay. Yay. Good round. Ended with 80. Oni to capture another birdie. Podium finish siguro yun pag na-birdie niya. Ay, bumali ka agad. Bibigyan kita ng mulligan. That's good, that's good. Good par. Kuha. Uy! Pops, good round. Good round, Pops. Brother, good round. Thank you, thank you. Oni, hey, good round, brother. Yung taas mo bandera ng 2002. Ate, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you, ate. Okay, shout out sa aming mga caddies. Ate, maraming salamat.
Thank you. Ingat kayo pag...
Tapos ngayon ko lang tinanong yung pangalan. Anong pangalan mo, ate?
Tess po.
Hanapin nyo si Ate Tess. Si ate. Nag-meet na tayo kanina. Thank you, ate. Ate Dan. Dadang. Maraming salamat, Ate Dadang. Apir. Thank you, Ate Dada. Thank you. Ended around.
Hindi na
8 over.
Saan nalagay yung double eighties?
Sayang.
Mamaya send.
Oh, lots!
42 and 106. May double par pa si Oni dyan. Ang sakit.
Sir, pasan ka.
Nice shot.